That's a good look for you. And I'm flattered, truly. See, I knew we made a connection.
You're the real thief.
Because I stole your heart? Heard it before, swinger.
What the heck?
I've been looking for years. So the frame-up must really annoy an ex-primary color guy like you.
Huh? Yeah. You didn't steal the ooze, did you?
Oh, you know I didn't, short, dark, and handsome. You were there, so unless you took it...
I didn't take it.
Calm down, I didn't think so. But if you're fed up enough with the thankless hero thing to match your image to mine, then I have to ask, are we going to be bad guys together, partner? Or just plain bad? Was it something I said?
Well, me.
Hey, crime spree! Was hoping you'd swing this way again.
Cat, listen, I'm innocent.
Obviously. Doesn't that imposter know black is the new red and blue?
Yeah, I turn it black and blue. If I can find him.
Well, as it happens...
How can you be so sure he'll hit here?
I think like a thief. A boat full of overdressed fat cats is a can't-miss proposition. Wait. Ooh. Mayor Waters is wearing the Stuyvesant tiger. I want it.
Cat, no door prizes. Try focusing on how we get aboard.
Please, I'm a professional. I come prepared.
Sweet ride!
Haven't you heard? Crime pays.
I'm not listening. La 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 la.
Almost there. Hold on tight.
Don't worry, I don't slip.
Not why I said that.
We're close enough.
My kitty sense is purring. We'll let them settle this Spider-Man to Spider-Man.
Thanks, Cat. I owe you one.
At least.
You made a pretty good team. Maybe you should change sides. Okay, then why did you help me?
You really don't know.